What if I told you there's a secret culprit behind your bad breath? You might think it's poor hygiene, but did you know certain foods can wreak havoc on your oral microbiome, leaving you with stinky breath? Yup, you might be eating your way to bad breath without even realizing it. Today, we're respilling the beans on 5 common foods that can turn you into a walking stink bomb. From crunchy delights to sweet tooths, we've got you covered. So if you want to save yourself from social situations and keep your breath as fresh as your style, stick around. We'll help you navigate through the minefield of munchies, so you can confidently chomp your way through life without the fear of unleashing a foul odor. But first, let's start with the A, B, C's of bad breath. Why does it happen in the first place? Well, your mouth is home to a whole community of bacteria. It's like a bustling city where different microbes play different roles. But when this microbial community gets out of whack, things can get smelly fast. Certain foods can throw this delicate balance completely off kilter, leading to an unpleasant stench. So what are these sneaky foods that can turn your breath into a weapon of mass destruction? Let's find out. Did you know that onions and garlic can leave you with bad breath? These tasty treats contain sulfur compounds that contribute to an unpleasant odor when they're digested. Studies show that the breath of people who consumed onions or garlic had significantly higher levels of sulfur compounds than those who did UNT and coffee and alcohol. They can dry out your saliva. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense against bad breath. It helps wash away food particles and neutralize acids. Without enough saliva, bacteria have a field day, leading to some serious stinky breath. Alcohol also has a dehydrating effect on the body, which can lead to dry mouth. One study found that people who drank 2 or more alcoholic beverages had significantly more stinky breath than those who did sugary snacks and drinks. When we consume sugary foods, we provide the perfect feast for bacteria in our mouths. As these microscopic monsters feast on the sugar, they release waste products, including volatile sulfur compounds, which contribute to bad breath. And let's not forget about the sticky situation. Sugary foods can also lead to plaque buildup, which harbors bacteria and makes your breath even hard candies and mints. While they may seem like a breath saver, hard candies and mints can actually do more harm than good. The sucking and chewing motion can increase saliva production, which might seem helpful, but it can actually make bad breath worse. This is because the saliva mixes with bacteria and food particles in your mouth, creating the perfect stinky brew. And finally, let's talk about bread. Yes, bread. Specifically, bread that's made with refined carbohydrates like white flour. When you eat refined carbs, your body breaks them down into simple sugars, which provides the perfect fuel for bad breath bacteria. One study found that eating bread made with refined carbohydrates led to significantly more bad breath than eating whole grain bread. We understand the struggle. You love these foods, but you don't love the consequences. Fear not, because we've got the solution. But before we reveal the ultimate fix, let's address something. Brushing your teeth is great and all, but it only does so much. Sure, it helps remove physical food particles and plaque, but it doesn't always tackle the root cause of bad breath, restoring the balance of good bacteria in your mouth. That's where Prodentum comes in. If you're looking to conquer bad breath once and for all, then tap the link below. Don't just mask the problem with mints and gum. Get to the root of the issue with Prodentum. Thousands of happy customers have already taken this doctor-endorsed daily oral supplement to improve their breath and oral health. Plus, with its blend of 4.5 billion good bacteria and essential nutrients, it's like giving your mouth a personal army of freshness fighters. Say goodbye to bad breath and hello to confidence with Prodentum. Remember, you deserve to feel good about yourself and your smile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.